Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into the Google account tied to your channel and make sure verification and two-step are in place so nothing blocks access. Once signed in, open Studio. YouTube, or the YouTube Studio app grant microphone and camera permissions when prompted. Next, check channel settings and ownership. If you use a brand account, make sure you have manager access. These first steps remove roadblocks and let you proceed straight into channel configuration and content settings without interruptions. Once in YouTube Studio, go to Dashboard, then Settings to set upload defaults, monetization options, and basic channel info so your future uploads are consistent. Make sure to use permissions to add collaborators. Choose owner, manager, or editor depending on control needed. This avoids accidental full access. Then link AdSense and Google Analytics from monetization and advanced settings to enable revenue and deeper metrics. These configuration moves make Studio functional for publishing, revenue, and team workflows. Finish by testing. Upload a private video to confirm metadata, thumbnails, and upload speed. Then enable live streaming and run a low latency test to validate encoder settings. Make sure end screens, cards, and monetization appear correctly and that collaborators can access assigned functions. If anything fails, clear browser cache, retry in incognito, or reauthorize the Google account. Also confirm account verification and two-step settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reassign and refresh permissions after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.